The sand casting of steel castings of Yuanda Valve Group adopts the green and environmentally friendly grease-hardened modified water glass casting process, and the shapes are all made from the production equipment of Jera Machine Tool Group, a well-known domestic casting equipment manufacturer. It can produce various chemical gate valves, globe valves, check valves, butterfly valves, ball valves and other valve castings with diameters from DN 250, 10-inch, to DN 1800, 72-inch, which provides reliable guarantee for the production of Yuanda cast steel valves, especially chemical valves. Yuanda Valve Group uses a fully automatic intelligent sand mixer combined with a vibrating table to make sand molds. The liquid material uses green and environmentally friendly fat-hardening inorganic binder. The fully automatic intelligent molding production line cooperates with the vibrating table to ensure the sand strength and surface quality of each box. After the sand mold is made and fully hardened, the mold is taken by a fully automatic box turning and mold lifting machine to obtain a high-quality sand mold, which then enters the pre-drying furnace for surface drying treatment to ensure the stability of the sand mold and transfers to the flow coating process. The refined sand mold is evenly coated with a high refractory coating layer in the flow coating process to ensure the high quality of the casting surface. After the flow coating is completed, the sand mold enters the surface drying furnace for drying and flows to the lower core process. After the dried sand mold and sand core are cleaned and inspected, the sand core is accurately lowered into the sand mold to prepare for subsequent box closing. After strict inspection, qualified sand molds are assembled and tightened up and down to form a complete sand mold, which is ready for the pouring process. After the sand mold is prepared, the molten steel melting process begins. Experienced craftsmen strictly control the melting process to remove impurities in molten steel and ensure the purity of molten steel. The molten steel is fully combed and evenly poured into the sand mold through the bottom casting ladle, so that the casting is gradually formed. After the pouring is completed, the sand mold is cooled for a period of time and enters the falling sand cleaning link, where the sand mold is removed to expose the initially formed casting. Subsequently, the castings are cleaned and subjected to integral shot blasting to remove residual sand shells and oxides from the surface. The cleaned casting enters the cutting process, and the gating system and feeding riser are removed to form a preliminary blank casting. Subsequently, the internal microstructure and mechanical properties of the castings are optimized by heat treatment, ensuring that the technical requirements are met. After heat treatment, the oxide scale of the casting is removed by surface shot blasting and finally polished. Finally, a qualified sand casting steel casting is completed.